basically what we have here is my carrier, my welding machine, and my generator. And what we're going to be doing today is just for kicks. It's not for long-term use. We are going to be running the welder off of the generator to try and weld back together my carrier, just to see how many clutch kicks it's going to take to break it again.
Sway.
Okay, so this is after the welding, and obviously, as you guys can see, I am no welding prodigy, but these welds should hold pretty good, and hopefully we get about, boy, I could only imagine that after the first time I pop the clutch, it's gonna snap. It feels sturdy, I can pick it up, but horsepower versus strength of my hands is going to be a big difference. And from here, only thing I can see is that the bolt isn't going to thread in there anymore, so I'm going to have to put the key in here, put the pin in and bang the pin in, and I'm going to weld the lid of the pin right here, so there's no more coming apart for that. The next time we probably open up the rear end, it is gonna be almost identical to when I had the welded diff. So let's get to putting it in the car.